We like to boil your skincare routine down into 4 simple steps: cleanse, prep, treat, and protect. And I want to show you my favorite products that I do that with. I start the morning with the cleansing balm, which comes with this lightweight cloth. It's about like a handkerchief. I rub the balm into my dry skin, and then I wet this with warm water and use it to gently press and melt the cleansing balm back off. It's awesome to wash your face in the morning. As you know, your skin does a lot of work repairing and renewing itself overnight. And so when you wash in the morning, you're kind of getting rid of the dead skin cells and all the things that your body was working hard to kind of remove from your system overnight. After I do that, I use a little spritz of the rose water spray. This is the prep stage. It moistens my skin and gets it ready for the treat step, which in the morning is the Countermatch Intense Moisture Serum. It has a little pump on the lid, and I pull out the dropper and use the contents to rub between my fingers, and then I gently press it onto my skin and my neck and the backs of my hands. So now we've cleansed, we've prepped, we've treated, and now we're going to protect. So every morning I use the Countermatch Eye Rescue Cream. I do like a teeny little pump out of here. I don't use a full pump because that would be way too much. Put it on my ring fingers. They apply the least amount of pressure because they're the weakest of our fingers. And I gently dab it on around my orbital bone, no closer. And then after that in the mornings I use a pump of the Countermatch Adaptive Moisture Lotion. You'll hear that I've talked about 3 Countermatch products. These are fabulous. They were invented by Xavier Olmosé, who came to Beautycounter from Chanel. He grew up in France, and this is his little baby that he introduced last summer. So that is great. That is my morning routine most days, and I also will put on some Dew Skin as a sunscreen. Then at night, I use the Nourishing Cleansing Balm again for my cleanse step, the Rose Water Mist to prep, the Overnight Resurfacing Peel is what I use for my treat step on alternating nights during the week. This is a brand new product and it is fantastic. I put 1 pump in my fingertips, again rub them together and dab it onto my skin after I cleanse, and then I give it 3 to 5 minutes to dry and to start kind of doing its work, because those acids, there are 15 acids in it, and they start to resurface and renew and regenerate my skin right away. After that, I put on the Countermatch Sleeping Cream and the Countermatch Eye Rescue Cream. So again, that's what I do on alternating nights. You might ask what I do on the nights that I don't do the Overnight Resurfacing Peel, and I'll tell you that now. I wash and cleanse with the charcoal bar, which is awesome for detoxifying and pulling out toxins and impurities in our skin. If you've ever paid attention, you know that water filters are made using charcoal, and they grab the toxins that are in the water. It acts like a magnet, and it does the same thing on your skin. So I just rub it in my hands, get a little foam going, and then wash my face. It's very easy. And then after that, I use the number 3 balancing charcoal mask. I take about a nickel-sized portion of that. I actually use a brush. You can use your fingertips and apply it evenly around my face and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. And then I very carefully rinse my face. It's even better if I can hop in the shower and just let the shower head rinse my face. But it is a great product. It helps to minimize pore size. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It again helps detoxify because it's got the charcoal, so it's a great product. So on the nights that I do that, I still follow up with my rose water spray. You've seen this a lot. And then I use my Countermatch Intense Moisture Serum, Eye Rescue Cream, and Sleeping Cream. And then I will also add a couple drops of the Brightening Facial Oil, which I love. So I am happy I've got a list in my little protocol that I follow every week, It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products, which I know sounds crazy, but with my little routine, I think it'll be easy. If you want the simplest routine, I would say to start with the cleansing balm and prep, so that's cleanse, prep with the rose water spray, treat with the serum, and then protect with the day or the night cream. And if you want to step it up a notch, add in the eye cream, step it up another notch, add in the charcoal products, and then take it to the very best with the overnight resurfacing peel. So, I think that I did a pretty thorough job of explaining everything, but I suspect you probably have questions. Please post them below and I would love to help. Thanks for watching.